Go, look, Genta's got her muddy puddle shoes. This one's better though than the... Hi, Genta. Wait, stop there.
This one, Genta.
Look, wait, Genta, I want to see you first. Come here, look at me first. Okay, go on then. Do your muddy puddle jumping. Diyan ka lang sa likod niya. Go on, Genta. Let me see. Oh. Look at that, eye. Go on, do your muddy puddles. What about a big splash? Whoa, you gonna splash me?
Yes.
Go on then. Whoa! Splash again. Go on. Muddy puddle splash. Okay, wait there. Go on then. Whose turn to do? Go and wash it a little bit. Muddy puddles, come on, go jump. What is he gonna do now? Oh, don't get me muddy you. Don't muddy puddle me. Go ahead, there's more water here. Where are you going? Whoa, onto me. I don't think so. You know, malakas, it's alright. When it rains hard, then we can go. Go on then. Go on. Whoo!
You will get wet. Oh, I need to have it.
Hard. Come on, get me wet. You won't like that, see, Nanay? Alright then. Big jump, you both of you. Ready? Jump. Splash me, not like that. Jump like that. Oh, Okay then, enjoy your muddy puddles. Say bye, look at here. Say bye, Gento.
Bye.